Let's install a dependency. npm install moment. Moment was installed as a dependency, as you can see here. This dependency is a package. You can use this package. You can use this package in your file like this. You can call a module by requiring it in Node.js. This is Node.js, not reactJS. In reactJS, you can import export modules, but in Node.js we require for now, although they might add support for import and export later on. To use moment package, we can use it like this. Const moment and then require moment. Console.log, and now we will use this const that we created, moment dot format, save. Now we can run this file again by typing npm run go, and as you can see this output here. So we just used moment package.